In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two photos into one using ChatGPT. To get started, open ChatGPT and make sure you're using a version that supports image uploads. This is important because you'll need to provide the photos directly in the chat so the AI can understand exactly what you want to merge. If image upload is available, you should see an option to attach files or add images before sending your message. Once you're ready, upload the two photos you want to combine. Try to choose clear, high-quality images because better source photos usually lead to better results. If one image is blurry, too dark, or cropped awkwardly, that can affect how natural the final merged photo looks. After both images are uploaded, give ChatGPT a clear explanation of how you want them joined together. This part matters a lot. Be specific about what should happen in the final image. For example, explain whether you want the subjects standing next to each other, placed in the same scene, or blended into a single composition. The more clearly you describe the arrangement, the easier it is for the AI to produce something close to your vision on the first try. Next, mention the layout, background, lighting, and style you want. If you want the final image to look like a casual photo, a studio portrait, or something cinematic, say that directly. You should also describe the background you want to see and whether the lighting should be bright, soft, dramatic, natural, or evenly balanced. These details help ChatGPT create an image where everything feels consistent instead of looking pasted together. It's also a good idea to ask ChatGPT to keep the people or objects realistic. This helps guide the image toward natural proportions, believable facial features, accurate shadows, and smoother blending between the two original photos. If realism is your goal, say so clearly. After that, generate the combined image. Once the result appears, take a moment to review it carefully. Look at small details like faces, hands, edges, lighting, and positioning. If something looks off, ask for corrections. You can request changes to placement, background, expressions, color tone, or anything else that needs adjustment. Sometimes a small follow-up instruction can improve the result a lot. When you're happy with the final merged photo, go ahead and download it. Save it in a place where you can easily find it later, especially if you plan to share it, post it, or edit it further. And that's how to combine two photos into one using ChatGPT.